All right, y'all, we got the Rondoval with the sink and pool, the pool in the back. Give you a quick room tour. We have been here for a couple days. So to your left, you got the tub. This is the design for it, right? Shower right here. A little bit of a strange design, I guess you can call it, but whatever. This is how it looks. You hit this, shower here. No barrier or anything like that, but that's just how it is. Then off of that, you have the bathroom. Light switch here. No fan in the bathroom though, so you got to keep that in mind. When you're in here with your significant other, if you use the bathroom, you can pop these tabs off, but I don't feel like it really makes that much of a difference. Can't really see the tab in here because of the light, but this is what it looks like. You can pop them out. Add a little air in here, you know. Number 2. This is the sink area. That's where the towels are. To give you a little hair dryer, trash can. Hair dryers in that bag. It's the mirror. A little extra close mirror if you want to get some nose hairs or something. And you got your spare pillows, iron, robe, safe. And you come around here. This gets you to the bedroom. Bed, got your lamp, mattress, TV, real simple design, nothing too major, not too much to remember. This takes you out to the pool, this door here. You have to lift down and come out. When you want to close it, you have to lift up to close it. As you can see, there's a cat back here for some reason. There's cats on the property, keep that in mind. This is the pool. This is what the pool looks like. Fairly deep. For the most part, not really crazy. You can see the cats kind of scurry along. That's what the pool looks like. Give you one more angle from the other side. There's a light out here if you want to come out at night. I think we still got the light on from the other night, but this is basically it. Quick and to the point. Room tour, I'll show you what the front door looks like since I'm going back in. Again, to get in the door, you pull it down. When you come back in, you lift it up. And that's how you close it. And then this takes you right back to the entrance. That's the room tour. Quick and to the point. Make sure y'all like and subscribe.